Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be making like a slime, and it's gonna be 5 times 5. So basically what I mean when I say 5 times 5, I mean like I'm gonna be using the ingredients 5 times. So these are like some slimes that I made. This one is I use the ingredients 2 times 2, so I use the ingredients 2 times. And this one is 3 times 3. This one's like really big, and this one, it's not really that big. But okay guys, so I got all my ingredients, and I did not even say I'm making fluffy slime. And if you guys want to make fluffy slime with me, here are the ingredients. So you're gonna be needing some saline, eye contacts, and some shaving cream, a measuring cup, some food coloring, or if you just want it to stay white, and some glue. So I already poured in my first, and now this is the second one. And I can't believe I'm managing to pour this in, because it's so heavy. Oh my god, I just forgot to say you're going to be needing some baking soda and some water. So I'm just going to put in the baking soda. Okay. I'm just going to stir that up. Oh guys, remember, we're not going to be using the ingredients 3 times 3. It's going to be 5 times 3. So we're going to be using the ingredients 5 times. Guys, so here's my favorite part. This is a time and when we're supposed to add the shaving cream. And just make sure that a parent is like watching you or like helping you, because you never know what could go wrong. And make sure to always shake it up. Okay, oh my god, so be prepared because it might be loud. But guys, I gotta say that I'm just loving this color, and it's reminding me of that movie Grinch, or like, I don't know, a big slimy green soup. Okay, so now this is the part where my hands are gonna be getting dirty. Okay. Oh my god, it just feels so weird. Like, I don't know why, but like it feels like there's a string in it, but really it's the glue. Oh my god, it feels so weird. Oh my god. But guys, what does this remind you of? I remember when me and my mom, we made some Rice Krispies, but we put green food coloring in it. So yeah, this is like the perfect. Just look how nice that looks. Oh my god. But guys, what do you think I should name all my slimes? So like, what should I name the blue one that I showed you guys today in this video, and the pink one that I showed you guys in this video? And what should I name this one? I don't know what I should name it. Keep on stirring. Oh guys, make sure when you're like stirring and stuff, don't like play with it. Well, play with it, but like make sure like you're really getting into it. So like work it out and stuff. That's what I mean. And guys, just remember, just keep on kneading it and kneading it. And guys, if it's like still really sticky, just put some more saline in it, whatever that's called. So make sure to like get the edges and stuff. And make sure to use a big bowl if you're gonna do the same thing as me, if you're gonna do 5 times 5. But this is like the perfect bowl to make slime. Okay guys, so like, I'm just so impressed how this turned out. Like, it's literally so amazing. Like, it's so big, seriously. Just so big, but here's something cool about it. It's literally so cool. Look. So, I just lay it down here and I just put my hands in. Let's just let it sink. It can literally lift up the table. Like, it's really strong, seriously. But I really like that how the color turned out. It's like a really nice, I would say like lime green, I don't know. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video, so I hope you guys like this video. And I'm gonna do more of my gaming video and stuff, but lately I just have been loving slime and I just love making it. And I just wanna make it bigger and bigger and bigger, but like, I also wanna make a tie-dye outfit, so stay tuned for that. Maybe we might do that. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video, and make sure you guys click that like button and subscribe. Anyways, bye!